Hi, it's Phil from Advanced Technical Services, and I'm going to take you through an example of problem solving using lean thinking. Before we start any project, we need to gather some tools that we're going to use for the process. The first tool we're going to use is the problem definition. So the problem we're working on is that the time frame from fault occurrence to the warranty being closed is too long. So let's map the value stream of the current situation of what's going on so we can see where all the time and all the value is being added. Once we have the value stream map, we can then identify the value and the non-value added activities. So what we need to do is focusing on finding one of the non-value added activities and see what we can focus on to reduce it. The next tool we're going to use is Genchi Gimbutsu. Go and see for yourself. So I got on the phone and I spoke to one of the technicians that I think might be responsible for causing some of the issues. I asked, why does it take a month to get the parts back? And I kept asking why multiple times to see if I could dig out the root cause of the problem. Once I'd put all the causes, I thought I could identify the root cause, so I put together some countermeasures. I then selected one countermeasure and then I assessed it. Is it easier? Does it make it better? Is it quicker? And overall, does it make it cheaper? Now that I have a countermeasure to try, I'm going to run the experiment. So we use Deming's PDCA cycle. We run the experiment, we check the results to see if it achieved the desired outcome, and then we work out what we need to adjust. We'll go through multiple iterations until we actually find the right solution. Remember, it took Edison 1,000 experiments to get the light bulb to work. Looking back at one of the reasons is that the technician waits till he gets all the parts and takes them back to the supplier. Is this not batch work? You know what our lean thinkers think about batch work? That's where all the defects hide, such as missing paperwork, lost parts, damaged, and so forth. As lean leaders and thinkers, we must always blame the process and not the people. If something's not happening as we expect it to happen, then it's not the person, it's us who's designed the process, and the process sucks. So have a look at the process. What can we do to make it easier? Find out why it's failing, and then implement your solutions using the PDCA cycle.